Alright, so this is History Paper 2 Prediction 2023 Internal. So I welcome you also to my WhatsApp tuitions. So I'm going to drop the number that you're going to call me. So now the topics which are likely to come in your paper are as follows. So the first one is the nation building 1850 to 19s. So now, under this one, you need to know how to write the S under Bismarck and the unification of Germany, 1870s. Apart from that one, you need also to explain the Bismarck's home and foreign policies. Then the last one is France, 1870 to 1914. Then the next one is the divide among major world kingdoms and nations. So on this part here, you need to describe the alliance systems that European states entered into before 1914. Okay. Then the next one is the contemporary issues. Now, under contemporary issues, they are going to ask you to discuss the major causes of conflicts and their consequences in the modern world. Apart from that one, they can also ask you to discuss the effects of HIV and AIDS in economic development. Okay, so the next one is the other international organization. Now, under the other international organization, they are going to ask you to describe the objectives of the organization of African Unit or African Union. The objectives, remember, the objectives of the organization of the African Unit or African Union. Then followed by the next one, the next question is the likely to come. They are going to also to ask you to describe the objectives of the Arab League under the same topic, which is the other international organization. Then the next topic is the European settlers. The European settlers in Central Africa. So now, on this part here, they are going to ask you to discuss colonial, indirect, and dialect methods of ruling Africans. Then also, they can also ask you to explain the role played by labor movement in fighting against colonial law. Then the next topic, which is likely to come in your paper, is the world during the inter-war era. So this one is very, very important. Okay, it is highly examinable. This one, the world during the inter-war era. This one is highly examinable. Okay, so followed by the next topic, which is the indigenous African population. The indigenous African population. Then the last one is the European acquisition of territories in Central Africa. So in this part here, they are going to ask you to describe the struggle for the portion of Central Africa. Then the next one, they can also ask you to discuss the steps leading to the colonization of Central Africa by the British and the Portuguese. Okay, so that was the last one. Thanks for watching.